IFAST, right? Can the uptrend, all right, of these companies still continue, right? So IFAST is one of the stocks that we've covered over the past few months, and over the past few days, we have managed to see a bit of bullishness coming back in this counter. Hey guys, Joey here, top tier advisor and trader in Philip Securities and chief trainer at Trading Impossible. So in today's video, we'll be talking about IFAST, one of those fintech firms, wealth management firms listed in the Singapore Exchange. And just about last week, right here, we managed to see some good support coming in for IFAST, and it's been holding above these $6 support level for like about 1 to 2 months. And 550 was like a really good support level as well, right? So there were some upside targets that were drawn all the way back to that $7 level, about a 14% upside right here. And over the next few days, prices started to push up, and we kind of reiterate our targets with a potential break of that $7 level. So $7 have been kept below, all right, since like 3 months ago, all right, since like January. But over the past few days, we managed to see it break as well. So in today's video, we'll dive into IFAST to see what it says right now and if the uptrend can potentially continue further, right? And this is one of those stocks that I really like because of the uptrend. It's looking really good. It's like it can be consolidating and then pushing higher, consolidating, and this could be just the beginning of more upside to come. So if you want to find a bit more on IFAST and how you can position yourself to ride this counter, do stick around all the way to the end of this video, and I'm sure you'll be clearer. All right, so let's go into it right now. Okay, so this is IFAST right here, one of those really good uptrending counters that I like. Over the past few months, we've been consolidating, not much of a move, but it seems like over the past few days, some bullishness is coming back, and you want to be prepared to go and ride it, all right? And this is IFAST right here. So currently trading at about $7.36. So before I dive into where we are, let me just do a very quick analysis of what happened over the past few months. You can see that this stock has been in an uptrend since like July last year, very strong uptrend. The rates line, the 100 days moving average, has been pointing up, really gradually. The blue line is pointing up as well. So mid to long term trend, I think it looks good. All right, short term, we started to see a bit of sideways movement right here. You can see somewhere around like February, that was where this green line, all right, started to flatten out and point down, and pretty much like sideways, I would say, for the short term. All right, but longer term, it looks good. So when we are seeing this consolidation over the past 3 months, it is good because it's still happening in terms of a good mid to long term uptrend. And look at this right here, right? Somewhere in like November 2020, December 2020, right here, we were actually capped below that $4 resistance level. So when we broke this $4 resistance level, so this $4 was a bit of a resistance level right here, you can see. So we pretty much kept below that $4, but when we broke this $4, you can see it read it all the way from $4 to like $7 in just a couple of weeks, right? So that was a really good rally, and then it started to consolidate, and this is where we are right now. You can see that so as we have been consolidating for about 2 months plus, since like January, from February all the way to like May, about 3 months plus, and finally we managed to break that $7 today. So I talk about this $7 psychological resistance level, which we were kind of like kept below since Feb. You can see we touched and sold off, we neared it, came back down again, and today, all right, the 20th of May, Thursday, 11 a.m. right here live, we can see that prices have kind of like break this $7 level. So about $7.35 right now. So that's where we have reiterated our targets for potential break. And let me just go to draw these upside targets again, all the way back to that $8 resistance level. So that will be about a 12% upside right here. You can see all the way to $8. That's where some profit taking might come back again. It might even like retrace back down again and even attempt to break that $8. So this is what we are seeing right now. You can see, when we broke that $4, right, it was really quite a good rally. So it now could be what we are seeing back in like January, when it kind of broke that $4. Same thing, we have consolidated below 7, and now we are breaking 7. So it could be pushing higher. If the $8 were to go kind of like give way as well, we might hit to 9, 10, and so on, right? So that's where you can ride your upside, kind of protect your profits along the way with each new higher candlestick bar. You want to raise your stop loss upwards to protect it, and kind of take profit at some of those resistance level, whereby profit taking can come back as well. All right, so this is IFAST here, one of those really good uptrending fintech company that I like, and yeah, I think the uptrend looks good, and yeah, we may actually see a bit more upside, anything above $7 for now. I think the uptrend looks intact, and yeah, it might be good for you to kind of put it in your watch list as well, and position yourself to ride more upside. All right, so yes, this is IFAST right here. So I hope you like this video. If you have, going to give me a like as well. You'll definitely help out the channel, and do hit the subscribe button. If you want to get access to some of my videos or maybe my trade ideas, if you have not yet joined my Telegram group, so I have a private Telegram group that is for the public, and that's where I actually share some of those videos that I do, so you will not miss out on any of them. And we do share some ideas there once in a while as well. So I'll probably put the link around this video. Go ahead to click on the link, all right, and join, enter your name and email, and join this private Telegram group, and that's where I can continue to add value to you, and you will not miss out on any of those videos that I share. Right, so this is IFAST right here, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Joey here. Take care.